And so welcome to another video of a digital marketing tutorial. So now I'm going to show you how to switch your personal YouTube channel to a brand channel and how to add users and manager to your YouTube channel. So first things first, you have to log in on YouTube, of course. So what we're doing right now is that this is a personal channel. What you want to do first is to create a new channel. So from the settings here, go to the gear and then create a new channel. So the brand channel is okay. Great. So now you've created your first, you've created a new channel. What we're going to do is to go back on the settings and then click on View Advanced Settings, and then scroll down and let me see. Okay, it's not right here. Let's go back again. Okay, so now it says that add or manage your channel. So clicking on this one, you can see that this is your personal, and then this is your, oops, let's go back again, add or manage your channel. Okay, so this is your personal, and then this is the new channel that we created. Now what we want to do is to move your personal to brand channel so that in the brand channel, you can add users and managers to your channel. Okay, so how do we do that? Let me try to remember. Again, channel, create channels. Okay, just making sure that this is currently set. Okay. So from here, so this since this is a brand channel, you can now add or remove managers. So let's visit this dashboard. Manage permission. So just simply click on the manage permission and then you can add people, but it will prompt you to log in again. So we don't want that to happen. Let's go back. So just simply go through the process because if I log in again, it will require a verification code and I don't have the phone at the moment. So let's go back to the brand account details. But the concept here is that once you have the brand account, you can add people to manage your YouTube channel. So what does that mean to you is that you can have multiple people, say for example, your content writer or your videographer to upload the videos to your YouTube channels. And then at the same time, your content writer can update the description, update the meta tags, optimize the content. So it's not just you who are managing this. So now let's go back to brand accounts. Okay. Okay, let's go back to YouTube. Okay. Okay, so what we're doing right now is that we're going to move the personal to brand account. Why do we want to do that? Is to, oh no, I need to log in again. Okay, so now that we log into the account from the settings, right, advanced settings, we click on the change or transfer. So this is your current channel now, and this is the connected brand account. Currently, we're logged into the brand account. So what we want to do is to switch back to the personal account. Okay, awesome. So now we're on the personal account with 18 subscribers and 16 videos with no playlist. Okay. So let's select on this. An account or connect channel will be deleted. So your personal channel will be deleted and your brand account will be ported. All of the content will be ported. So now in our channel, hang on, let me make sure that this is correct. Okay. Okay. This one. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's go to this one. Channel. Okay, so we have successfully moved all of the subscribers and videos to the brand account. Awesome. Let's see if all that is supported just for sanity check. Awesome. So this is the brand account, and then all of the videos are in here. Everything's fine. What we want to do now is to add users and subscribers. So same process. Go to settings, add or manage your channel. Sorry, rather add users and managers. Then let me. Okay, manage permission. I need to. Okay, so now we can finally add user-based roles. Let's add and then okay. Select the role. That's two as a manager and invite. Okay, so as you can see, when adding a new user, you can add them as an owner or manager or communication manager. So just simply check what the restrictions are. But I feel like owner is the highest, the administrator level. I need to confirm what is a communications manager. I think they can edit the captions and tags and stuff like that. Okay, so cool. So once this person confirmed or accepted the invite, then they can simply log into the YouTube channel and update any information based on their level of permission. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have questions, feel free to drop them on the comment below. So thank you for sticking out all the way to the end of the video. By the way, I'll be starting a marketing support playlist whereby I'll be answering most common questions asked by practitioners and business owners and those people who wanted to get a head start in the digital marketing career. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I wanted to give back to the community. I remember 10 years ago when I was just starting, I spent an awful amount of time in Yahoo Answers and Quora. So this is my way of sort of giving my solutions and strategies and advice for those who are struggling with digital marketing. So to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you learned something new or if you gotten any tips through my